Hello students, let us continue lesson number 7. Name of the lesson is India, location, border, area and physiography, and the topic is coastal plains. India is surrounded by seas on all three sides. The coastline is approximately 7,517 km long. The coastal region is made up of narrow plains. The ocean lies on one side of the coastal plain while the peninsular plateau lies on the other. The region lying to the east of the Eastern Ghat is known as the Eastern Coastal Plain. It is well known for its fishing industry. Chennai, Puducherry, Machilipatnam and Vishakhapatnam are the well-known ports located on the eastern coastal plain. The region lying to the west of the Western Ghats is known as the Western Coastal Plains. It is narrower than the Eastern Coastal Plain. This area has black fertile soil with alluvium deposit which is conducive to the growth of crops. The Western Coastal Plain is renowned for its transportation services and fishing industry. The major ports and cities like Mumbai, Kandla, Mangaluru, Calicut and Thiruvananthapuram are located in this region. Now the next topic is archipelagos, islands. A piece of land smaller than a continent that is surrounded by water is an island. A group of many such islands form an archipelago. The Lakshadweep and Minicoy Island are situated in the Arabian Sea towards the west of India, whereas the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal towards the east of India. Now the next topic is desert. The desert of Rajasthan lies to the west of the Aravalli mountain range. The soil here is sandy and the climate is dry and unbearable. Most of the time this region receives less than 20 centimeter of annual rainfall. Hence it faces water shortage and remains dry, barren and uninhabited. Due to the scarcity of water and unavailability of basic necessities, the population of this region is very less. Date palms and caravans pulled by camels are seen in this region. North Rajasthan is being irrigated through the river Satluj via the Indira Canal. The canal has succeeded in turning the area fertile and favorable for agricultural growth. The kind of desert in the run of Kutch differs from the desert of Rajasthan desert. The Kutch desert is divided into two parts, Big Run and Small Run. The soil of the Run of Kutch is highly saline. It appears as if the desert soil is covered with a white sheet. This is the only desert of its kind in the world. Now, student, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.